Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install PyCharm on your Windows 8 or 8.1 operating system and develop or write your first Hello World Python program in PyCharm. So first of all, you need to have Python installed in your system in order to run or create your Python program in PyCharm. So first of all, we will install Python, and then we are going to install PyCharm and run our first Hello World Python program in PyCharm. So search for Python on your favorite browser, and the first link will be from python.org. Just click this link and click this download tab here. And in here you can see two versions. One is Python 3.4.3, which is the latest version, and the Python 2.7.9, which is a legacy version, which most of the old Python programs are written in this version. But right now we are interested in downloading this one, 3.4.3. So just click download and save. Okay, once this Python file or executable file is downloaded, you can install Python on your system by just running it. So what I'm going to do is, this is the executable file I have installed for Python 3.4.3. So I'm going to run it once this is complete, this download is complete, and I'm going to click next. And this is the default location where Python will be installed, C/:Python 3.4, which is for the version 3.4. Click next, and in some moment Python will be installed in your system. So by the meantime it's installing, we can download a PyCharm executable. So search for PyCharm, and the first link will be from jetbrains.com/PyCharm. PyCharm is the IDE by JetBrains, so we are going to jetbrains.com/PyCharm, and in here just click Get PyCharm Now. And in here you will be able to see two versions, professional version, which is free for 30-day trial, and the community version, which is free. So right now we want to just learn how this PyCharm works, so I'm going to download this community version. We don't want to develop any professional programs using this, so I'm going to choose this version, which is free to use. So click this and save your PyCharm file. Okay, by the meantime our Python 3.4.3 setup has been completed, so Python has been installed in our system. Click finish, and you can see Python in your C folder, and there will be a folder called Python 3.4, and in here all your Python files are there. Okay, so Python is successfully installed in our system. Now just click the executable file for PyCharm which you have installed. So this is the PyCharm community version 4.0. So just click this executable which you have downloaded for PyCharm, and the setup for PyCharm will start in few seconds. Click yes and click next. And this is the default location where PyCharm Community Edition 4.0.5 will be installed. It's in C program files x86/jetbrains/PyCharm. Okay, click next. If you want to create a desktop icon, you can check this, and I'm not going to check this other option. Click next, install, and I can see this JetBrains PyCharm icon here. Now the installation is going on. So now PyCharm has been installed in our system. For running it for the first time, just click this Run PyCharm Community Edition when we click finish. So it will be automatically launched. So I will click finish, and PyCharm will start. And for the first time, you can see you can set your IDE look and feel by choosing one of these options. Dark color is for dark theme. Default is the default theme from IntelliJ, which is from JetBrains. And so you can choose what IDE theme and editor color and font you want. Okay, so I'm going to leave everything as default for now, and I will click OK. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new project. So create, and you can see PyCharm automatically detects the Python folder, which is in C:/python34/python.exe. This is automatically recognized by PyCharm for you. But if it's not automatically recognized, you can browse for the folder for PyCharm. Right now, this is the default location where PyCharm will be will create its project. You can give the name to your folder here, for example test, and I'm going to just click create. And now PyCharm has created us this project. Okay, so you can see this test project. It's going to give you a tip of the day. I'm going to close this, and right now in my test folder there is nothing because we haven't created any Python file, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click it, and I'm going to create a new Python file. Okay, and in here you can give the name for your Python file, for example my python.py. py is the extension for Python files, and click OK, and it's going to create you this mypython.py file for you. Okay, now to create our first program here, what we are going to do is we are going to write our hello world, or we are going to print hello world here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this line, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to print hello world here. So I'm going to write print, and in the brackets I'm going to write in double quotes hello world. Hello world. And for the first time when you want to run this program, what you need to do is you need to right click and run my Python, which is your file name. Okay, so right click and run my Python file, and you will be able to see this hello world printed on your screen. Okay, from the next time what you can do is you can click this green button here once you have already run your hello world program for the first time. For example, hello world, and you can add something here, YouTube for example, and you can click this green button and it will print hello world YouTube here. Okay, so in this way you can download and install PyCharm and write your Python program in PyCharm. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.